This Roosevelt, while he was the president, a number of people are going to come to meet this person. Correct, right? Obviously, to meet president, multiple people. A cowboy sometimes may come. A soldier sometimes may come. A politician may come. A diplomat maybe come. Multiple people will come to meet that person. You know, everyone likes Roosevelt like anything, man. Everyone feel very happy to spend more time with the Roosevelt, not because of president. His way of communication, his way of talking. If a cowboy is going to come, he's always going to talk about cowboy related terminology only. Do you know for that, before night, he's going to do homework. Tomorrow, to whom I'm going to meet. Tomorrow, to whom I'm going to meet. I'm going to meet. Okay, a cowboy is coming. Okay, cowboy, who is that person? What is about his interests? Okay, identify those, and he's going to prepare, and then he's going to spend the time with that cowboy. Being American president, man. Being American president in his busy life, what he's doing is that. So, what is his interest? Okay, there are multiple people are there. Okay, assume today I have one meeting with one person. I never had meeting with that person. I don't know. Then what I will do is, I have one common friend is there. I will make a phone call to that common friend. Today there is a meeting is there with this person. What about his interest? What he likes? We are going out. What he likes more? What he likes more? Can you provide that? What about? Can you provide some information about that person in the meeting? I'm always going to talk about based on his interests only. Then obviously he's feeling very happy to spend time with me. I never going to come in reverse direction. Okay, in opposite way. I won't come. I'm always going to align based on his interests. My talks, my actions, everything. If one of my person, one of my okay, I mean financial. I know that he's very much interested in filter coffee. Assume that filter coffee. Wherever we go, then I will ask, sir, shall we have a wonderful filter coffee? Here is the best like. Yeah, I too much very much interested like. Yes, obviously. Shall we have that? There is another person who is very much interested in the biryani, sir. Special biryani. Shall we go for special biryani kind of thing? Identify opposite person interests. Talk only about that. Everything is going to be settled. Everyone will become friends, man. Simple example. What fish you require? That thing only you require to carry. Okay. Array fish required earthworms. We have to carry earthworms. Then only fish is going to come. Strawberries, I like strawberries like anything. If I keep strawberry to the hook, no fish is going to come. Which means don't think in negative way. How to win friends. If you want to become your friend, identify his interests, identify his goals, identify his requirement. Listen more. You require to do your actions, your behavior, okay, your communication, your talks, everything should reflect opposite person. Don't think about yourself. President, one of the best president in American history, Roosevelt, he is doing groundwork, homework kind of thing, and he's always going to talk with the about is a terminology only. Then the people are going to like say, man. I hope it is clear. Here we are nothing. We are nothing. Identify opposite person interests. In 1 or 2 words, you will come to know. Then okay, this person is a Jagan fan. This person likes very much coffee. Okay, this person likes. Then talk about only these things.